Bitcoin money sort of has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28, which sort of basically is genuinely critical in a significant manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges close $285.76 in an unobtrusive way. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, which generally is very critical, which is very huge. The very current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money entirely is at $631,328,920, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. 13 July 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and especially basically attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some pressing issues facts. What truly is truly transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money generally is BCH a very wise speculation, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the BCH specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense certainly discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner in a for the most part large manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,190,985,483,416, showing how yet prior to plunging, certainly profound into the BCH specialized examination, generally truly let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations in a truly in every practical sense, significant way in a significant way. The very complete exchanging volume generally remains at $31,315,169,849, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an extremely enormous manner, which truly generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29% in a by and large huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 0.24%. coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours in an in every way that really matters, significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span in a very really significant manner. XRP, the actually most certainly local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.1 and at present exchanging at 47 cents. Fundamentally further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is genuinely critical. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market generally is going in an in every practical sense kind of descending course for all things considered, present moment, sort of additional appearance. How various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value decline of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a sort of truly broad essentially sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%. bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,190,985,483,416, showing how yet prior to jumping extremely beautiful profound into the BCH specialized investigation, truly let us especially discuss the actually quite current economic situations, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize kind of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which by and large is very critical. Support entirely is a level at which purchasers for the most part truly become essentially more fundamentally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in a sort of huge manner. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which dealers explicitly move extremely dynamic and, in every practical sense, really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 0.1 and at present exchanging at 47 cents. Especially further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58, following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time period, which generally is genuinely critical. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The extremely current Bitcoin money cost basically is $285.76, with an exchanging volume of $631,328,920 in the beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how XRP, the decently truly local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.1 and right now exchanging at 47 cents. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span in a genuinely significant manner, which is very critical. Right now, BCH certainly is up by 0.72% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $5,557,299,124 United States dollars, exhibiting how XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.1 and presently exchanging at 47 cents. Essentially further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time period. Or so they basically thought. Bitcoin money value examination BCH cost investigation for 13 July 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time span, generally made sense of underneath and in every way that really matters, lovely significant way. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving sort of normal assembly indifference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely basic moving in every practical sense, especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Bitcoin money, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. While BCH's Williams %R pointer essentially is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign fundamentally especially is somewhat conceivable at this reach in an exceptionally kind of huge manner. The kind of relative strength list RSI demonstrates that the BCH coin basically is an oversold stage, as RSI really is at 25, extremely further appearance how BCH United States dollar pair exchange